Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to factory reset Meta Oculus Quest and Quest 2 virtual reality headset using the headset and the phone app. I will going to explain here. Please keep watch on this video. First of all, I am explaining the using the headset. For this first step is press and hold the power and volume down button on your Quest or Quest 2 until it turns on. Use the volume button to highlight factory reset. Press the power button to select it. Use the volume button to highlight Yes, Erase and Factory Reset, then press the power button to initiate the reset. Your Quest will perform a factory reset, so you will have to perform the initial setup and download all of your games again the next time you turn it on. Here I am going to explain factory reset Meta Oculus Quest 2 using the phone app. For this first step is open the Oculus app on your phone, tap devices, tap your Quest. Tap advanced settings, tap factory reset. If you don't see the factory reset option in this menu, you will need to use the previous session method to factory reset your Oculus Quest. After that, tap reset. Here I am going to explain how to restart Meta Oculus Quest. There is an option if you only want to restart your Quest but you don't want to delete everything and start from scratch. The restart option is accessible from the headset power menu, and selecting causes the headset power down and restart. It can be often fix a lot of glitches and problems without removing your data. Here I will explain the steps of how to restart Quest or Quest 2. Please keep watch on this video. For this first step is with the headset on, press the power button and select restart. You will see a power off restarting message, after which the Quest will power down and restart. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. If it's really helpful, please subscribe my channel, share this video and like this video.